Hey everyone! In today's post, I'm going to show you how to create a fun and interactive poll right in your Instagram post. It's a great way to engage with your audience and get their opinions on various topics. Ready? Let's dive in. Start by opening the Instagram app on your mobile device. Tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen to access your profile. Tap the plus icon at the top of your profile. From the pop-up menu, select Post. Pick the photo you want to share from your gallery. Tap Next at the top right corner of the screen. After selecting your photo, you can apply filters or add music if you like. Tap Next again. Here's where the magic happens. Tap on the text box below your photo. If you don't see the poll feature, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. If it's available, you'll see the poll option. Tap it. Enter your question and up to 4 options for your followers to choose from. Once you're happy with it, tap the checkmark icon or Done. Hit the Share button to publish your photo with the poll on your Instagram feed. Let the fun begin. Your followers can now see the poll at the bottom of your photo and vote directly. Hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this post and follow me for more tips and tutorials. Happy polling!